And under the settings page, there's privacy and security. Click that. And you will see an option in the second half of the page called password. Press that and you simply type in your current password again if you know it, your new password, and your new password again, and press save, and that will change your password. But if you don't know your current password and you forgot, we have to do this a different way. Let me show you that next. You'll have to launch a browser. You don't want to do this on the Instagram app. You want to do this on Safari, Chrome, or I could just press login here. But let's say I forgot my password. So otherwise you would type in your username and password, but I'm going to press forgot password, type in my username here or my email and say send login link. So now I'll have to check my email. Let me go ahead and open that email up. And this is the email I got for that account, and I simply have to press the link in that email, reset password. It will launch back Instagram.com and it will allow me to type in a new password and then the new password confirmation. Basically type in your password twice and press reset.